From the bench, here at Typewriter Muse, some guy named Bob Marshall, here today to talk about something we've decided to part with. It's not just a case, there's actually a typewriter inside here. Although I gotta tell you, this case sure is pretty. I'm a big fan of this case. No major dings or hasn't taken too many hits, which was the fun of getting this. Black on tan, 1967, Super Sterling, made by Smith Corona. When I got this machine, obviously somebody had bent the top. I suspect they dropped a large book on it. Wasn't a big deal to straighten it out and then repaint the top, which I did in black. And then a few coats of clear coat, of course. A few blemishes, but let's show it to you. Naturally, all the toppers we sell, carry, use, they've got these great containers of spare ribbon, just in case you need it. We don't do the reels around here. You just got the spools and then the gloves to assist you. All handy dandy in that neat package. Black sticker, red sticker. Black and red. We like to carry nice little rag. That way you can clean the slugs as needed. I keep 2 of these. You only need 1, but that goes with it. And then, of course, a polishing cloth, because it's always nice to do your best for the machine. And then I really enjoy having a nice base to put it on. Although this one has perfect feet, but I slam the bases in there to keep that basket from jumping around. Let's get this thing typing, shall we? These naturally lever up towards you. I'm sorry, up in general. Pull this towards you. Always grab the typer from the front right. That's a trick to keep the carriage from moving. Let's get this thing working. Guess I could have brought in a rail. Anyways, a few little blemishes from its past life. I know everyone knows me for traveling on motorcycles with these typewriters. This one has not traveled on a motorcycle, just a nice car ride out to the desert here, Southern California. This thing came from Southern California, so it's all good. I covered the platen. It's all fresh. The feed rollers were good. Everything else is good. Let's get some paper in it. Let's get typing. Well, it's kind of hard to do with a phone stand in front of you. Holy heck. Holy heck. And away we go. Okay. Guess the trick is to pony up on the machine when you do that. I'm learning. Oh, and of course it's got the catch. Pull this up, put it over. The case holds the left and right of the carriage. But anyways, spring loaded. That all works. So, 19. Look, it's got a 1. 67. Smith. Corona. Super Sterling. Must be Saturday afternoon. All the planes are flying over. So, some people like lazy dogs. I like the alphabet. Maybe we'll and so it goes. Want to see some numbers? A few symbols. Everything's good. Okay. Let's do a few more symbols. Symbols are fun. People like them. Anyways, it's all there. 1967, Smith Corona. Very important not to capitalize the C in Corona, apparently. Super Sterling. There's the alphabet. Nice font. Happening. Anybody need to travel? This is a machine to do it with. Kind of a bummer to let it go, but I'm excited to see it go on to the next writer. Until next time, from the bench, some guy named Bob Marshall, typewritermuse.com.